Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to keep moringa leaves fresh, step by step. First, carefully harvest your moringa leaves from the branches, ensuring they are healthy and vibrant. Next, gently wash the leaves under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. It is crucial to thoroughly dry the leaves afterwards, as any remaining moisture can lead to spoilage. Use a clean cloth or paper towels to pat them completely dry. For short-term storage, refrigeration is an excellent option. Once your moringa leaves are completely dry, place them in an airtight container. This method helps maintain their freshness for up to 5 to 7 days. Another effective technique is to wrap the clean, dry leaves in a slightly damp cloth or paper towel before placing them in a sealed bag or container in the refrigerator. This can also keep them fresh for about 1 week. To preserve moringa leaves for a longer period, freezing is ideal. First, blanch the leaves in boiling water for about 30 seconds. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. This helps retain their vibrant color and nutrients. After draining them thoroughly and patting them completely dry, pack the leaves into freezer-safe bags, removing as much air as possible. They can stay fresh for several months this way. For the longest possible shelf life, consider air drying or using a dehydrator. Spread the clean, dry moringa leaves in a single layer on a clean tray or screen. Allow them to air dry in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight, for several days until they are completely brittle. Alternatively, use a food dehydrator following its instructions. Once fully dry, store the leaves in an airtight container in a cool, dark place for many months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.